guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm happy you found us. Today, you can tell from the title, I'm doing a haul video. I don't do these a lot. I try to use everything I already have, but it's a haul video today. So let's jump right into it because I got some great things. Okay. So what I'm going to show you first is what I got at a garage sale. I'm super excited about this because I have some great ideas, so stay tuned. Okay. These, for those that don't know, you used to put paper plates in these and sit around outside or wherever. Normally you'd take them on picnics, camping, or whatever. And I got this whole stack here. There's, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 9. I got 9 for 50 cents. Not bad. This is garage sale, by the way. I'm doing garage sale first. Next, I got these napkins, and they have these great embroidery on them, and I can cut that out and use that in mixed media and in journals and other things. So I actually got 4 of those. They were 25 cents each, and I paid $1. Next, I got some old pearls, which is just like an old pearl necklace, a strand of pearls. And I got these for my junk jewelry tree that I do at Christmas now. It's just something fun. It's a great way to use up this jewelry that you find at garage sales that might normally go into the landfill or something like that. I buy it and I put it on the Christmas tree. And then I got this great crate. It's fall, it's Christmas. These come in handy for a lot of things. So stay tuned. You'll be seeing this definitely. But for now, it's going to be a holder for these plate holders. See? Already found a use for it. Okay, next is the Dollar Tree haul. And it's kind of large because there's a bunch of projects coming up. I have an event coming up, and I'll talk about it as I go through. So let's get into the Dollar Tree stuff now. Some of this you've already seen because I had it in my Bringing Fall Fragrance into Your Home, but this is where it belongs, so I'll show you. Oh, and I'll link that video above in a card. Oh. So I got 2 of these dried florals. I mean, they're great. They're pretty thick. And I'm going to use them in an upcoming video, some fall decor ideas for your front porch. So stay tuned because that will probably go up on Monday. So they'll show up in that. And in the fall fragrance video, I showed you how you could give these scent naturally without any chemicals. So be sure and check that out. But these were $1 each and they were great. Okay, next I got 3 of these styrofoam pumpkins that they have every year. I've used them multiple times throughout the year in my home decor. And these you'll actually see in that upcoming porch video. So stay tuned. And look how they look now because that's not how they're going to look in the video. Okay, in this. I got a lot of stuff. Okay, I got these because they're actually going to be in my fall porch video. And they won't look like this either, but I wanted to show them to you. You could use them as just little picks and flower arrangements to give, maybe you have some sunflowers and you want to add just a little more fall. These would be great. You could stick them in faux decor, faux flower arrangements as well. So yeah, they're cute. Okay, these gingerbread guys are going to be in an event I'm putting on. I'm doing a gingerbread village table for the food that day, and these guys are going to be part of my gingerbread village, and I've got 3 of them. Dollar Tree has amazing wood items right now, and I use these, like I said, I'm going to use these in an event. You can use them in your own home decor. I'm also part of a fall bazaar this year. So I got some small ones that are going to be decorating some of my mixed media pieces. Those. Okay, now some of the things that are going to go on my mixed media items that will go in the holiday bazaar. It's an art bazaar, but so no crafts, but these go in some mixed media that I'm selling there. So I did these. I thought they were adorable. And then some little bows. And if I end up using all this or not, I don't know. I may end up drawing and painting it on. But we'll see. I got this truck for home decor. How cute, right? I got 2 because I am going to make it 3D. And I will be showing you that coming up soon when I start doing Christmas videos or winter videos. It's more winter than Christmas. I got these little trees. Again, in a video kind of showcasing winter and stuff, I'll be using some of this stuff, so stay tuned. This is an ornament. I thought it was cute. It's a metal sled. So, and then we got the gold deer. Again, you'll be seeing all this stuff. I just wanted to share now because they have all of this stuff. And the girl was telling me that all of these wood pieces that I got, all of these small wood pieces run out really fast. So it was a great idea that I came in and grabbed all of them when I did. So I just wanted to pass that along. I got, let's see, snowflakes. I got bells. I got these that are kind of mixed. They're like just different things. It says Xmas, as candy canes. They have trees. They have a snowman. So different things in them. Then I got some tiny gingerbread men. Again, to use on at my event on the buffet table. Let's see. And I got this candle holder. And I got another one. Oh, it's over there to fit inside this. That's actually a fall DIY that you'll be seeing very soon. One of the last fall ones, actually, that you will be seeing. Or maybe that one might end up being Christmas, so stay tuned. And then I got 2 bags of moss because this is going to be some boho decor coming up. So that's it. That's all I got, but that was a lot. I'm pretty excited, though. I'm glad I scored all these little wood items in case I want to use them in my mixed media. I can definitely have them. And again, the lady that worked at Dollar Tree told me that all the wood items will sell out super fast. So, again, I'm happy I got all of them. Stay tuned. Oh, I wanted to show you one more thing. It's not from Dollar Tree, but it's part of my art. I've been displaying at local galleries, and I actually have won 2nd place, and I just won 3rd place in a veterans show, and that's when another event I'm doing October 16th. So lots of art going on, but this is a fall piece I did. Since I'm sharing fall stuff, this is a fall piece. It's really fun. The people in the middle are like a child and their grandpa walking among the fall fields. And I just kind of felt that when I painted it. So just wanted to share with you. I hope you all have an amazing day. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.